Pay attention to the carrier we are forward in a the lane. Because these goat thief were caught on CCTV in a the middle of the day. I take where somebody ram me. People, why Jamaicans so thief? Greetings, and salutation to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari, so many of people. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. Help build up the Rastaman panel. Ladies and gentlemen, Miggle Day. These Jamaicans don't play. It's getting close to the Christmas time again. So you better make sure you got them in a the pen. As it's near to Christmas season, me I tell you, wherever you go, the people bring them in because illegal activities are going to be on a spike. As one such incident has been caught on video where a man was caught stealing a goat. Yes, a goat. Meh. Look on the screen and take it in and tell me what a guan, what a guan. There has always been an issue with livestock, especially goat stealing in Jamaica, that hinders certain farmers from venturing into the business. A little to no justice can be found after livestock has been taken. Footage captured on the CCTV shows that the goat's been stolen in about a minute and a half along and showed that at least 2 individuals were involved in the thievery. Your doggone goat thief. The boy them snatch up my neighbor goat and gone. You all gone thief. Relentless were these thieves because as you see, them try once and them try twice. The car reverse until it is not seen. Before the driver forward again, look on it, a reverse up. Okay, and then a man in a white shirt emerged from the vehicle. The third and grab up the goat. The third goat were grazed in. 3 goats were grazing along where they're startled. But the man was able to grab one of them and force him in the car. You know, see what a guan, pound, what a guan. When he tried to grab another one, he was unsuccessful though. Look on the boy them. You are going to see the goats them retreat. The car then drove off in the direction that it initially came from, leaving the crying goats that were left behind. It seemed like the goat missing bridging. It is unclear where or when this incident take place. But may I tell you again, some of them goat thief you are going to get quang. They upload to social media. The footage garnered attention from viewers, one of whom stated, "That's why when them kill them, me don't have nothing to say. The people them work hard to keep them livestock. And here come this drunker. You organ take." Has more people chimed in online. Them man ya skill you FK. Me a cry. A be nice car take we goat you know. You organ tea. The goat a ball help. And nobody now help the goat. Jaja. Another said poor goat. Just minding their business. And next one said Christmas time a coming you know. Penny OO said, "Man them where money fi go pay a fee 1 or 2 more day upon the rental." Christmas a come. We have to eat, you know, curry goat for the Christmas. This look like some idle man when nah nothing fi do. Another one said, "Make me know where you are say. Because when me look on this here video, yeah, it seems like them boy I do this before. Them skill for real. The boy them just take them time, watch the goat a graze, forward up in the lane. And I was amazed. The boy step out and grab the goat with one grab, put the goat in the car and return for a second bag. But good thing, the goat them did skill. Him only get one for kill. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine you have your goat on the side of your house, a graze look of grass. Because guess what? You know everybody in our neighborhood to Ras. And here come a boy. And I'm look a thief in car, I'm look a rental. Or a car where him need to make a payment. Look how the boy skill. The boy them just creep up on the goat and one just forward out. Chew him in. And then the boy forward for your next goat. What a good thing, the goat skiller than him. And run. You can hear the goat mane going down the street. It's a shame. Why goat thief? Why did you do it? Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment if you ever had something like this done to you. Meaning if some boy ever come and take off your cackle. Ya know. And you can leave a little comment if you know anybody who might be involved in this. So the people them can get them goat back. But I believe them the goat they get them throat cut. Long time. Subscribe, like and share to the channel. Build up the Rastaman panel and fire pan a goat thief. You organ thief. Pick out the dirty meat out of your teeth. Dirty junker.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And let some black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them fret and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Boy, fire king, Rastafari soldier, fire king. Yeah. Make up the